Want a quick hairstyle? Just dye your hair on a tablet. Holly is staring at a guy. Oh, he's so handsome! And she didn't even notice colliding with some bushes. Hello, nature! But the accident transformed her hairstyle. Attach artificial flowers to a floral branch. Make a few blooming branches and join them to each other. Wrap a decorative ribbon with leaves around. Hey, cutie! Are you alright? Whoa! Your spring hairstyle is amazing! I like your style, forest nymph! Let's go! Daisy is getting ready to go out. But her grandma isn't happy about the way she looks again. Hold on! Come here! Where are you going? Kids these days always look so messy. Is this fashionable now? Here, take Grandma's scarf. And you look like an elegant lady. Don't let the wind bother you. Well, go have fun, Little Red Riding Hood. Thanks, Grandma. This outfit would only look good at my 100th birthday party. But I know how to turn Grandma's scarf into a stylish accessory. Twist the scarf and put it on your head over your hair. So the knot is at the front. Wrap the strands of hair under the scarf. Take out the front strands near your face. Now I can go and not be afraid of old age. What a nice dream. A rain of rose petals, like in a fairy tale. But in reality, it's my boyfriend throwing socks out of a drawer. Honey, have you seen my hat? Aw, the fairy tale quickly turns into harsh reality. Oh, never mind. I already found it. Bye, sweetheart. Now what? The Sleeping Beauty is left alone to pick up her prince's socks. Although, I can use them for my hairstyle. Phew, lucky me, they're clean. I can pin a sock to a strand of hair and wrap my hair around the socks. At the end, I roll up the sock and fasten it with a hair tie. Then I curl all my hair like this. Now let's wait a bit. And I have perfect curls. Thanks, curling socks! The party was a blast, but we slept through everything again. Oh no! We need to get ready in 5 minutes! We did get dressed. But our hair! You can tell by our heads that we had a lot of fun yesterday. It's the perfect time to use a life hack. Simple 5-minute hairstyles. Option 1, separate the front strand of hair near the forehead and French braid it towards the top of the head. End it with a regular ponytail. Another quick hairstyle option, separate the strand near the temple and twist it. Fasten at the back. Separate another strand under the twist, wrap it up the same way and fasten it on the nape. Do the same twist on the other side and join them at the back into a ponytail. Quick hairstyles are done. Now our hair looks way neater, and no one will know we were having fun all night long. Makeup is done. Now I just have to fix my hair. Let's see. My hairstyle is missing an elegant accessory. Hi, Rosie. Can you help me turn it into a hair accessory? Sure thing. Do you have anything else? I need more pearls. Don't worry. Thread artificial pearls onto a fishing line from bigger to smaller. Fasten the ends. Make 2 pieces this way. Attach them to the ends of a pearl necklace. Glue the necklace to a headband. Use hot glue. Our pearly headband is done. Put it on, Laura.
Wow.
Whoa! This is an accessory for a queen. Does it look good on me? Laura, did you just break out of a fashion show? You have to wear it the other way, like this. Yeah, that's way better. Thanks Thanks for helping out, Rosie! And now, goodbye! I'm going on a date! Sean loves this beautiful accessory! Laura, you look stunning! Will you marry me? Yes, I will! I've been waiting for this my whole life! Betty wants to do a nice half-up hairstyle, but her hair and hands are plotting against her. Don't laugh at me, Daisy! Help your friend out instead! Daisy knows how to make a perfect half-up hairstyle in 5 minutes. Separate the front part of your hair and put it into a ponytail. Braid the strands near the temples and wrap the ends of the braid around the ponytail. Braid the ponytail. Pull out the strands a bit to add volume. Wrap the braid around the hair tie to shape a bun. And fasten it with hairpins. Now the quick, pretty hairstyle is done, and I look great! Thanks, Daisy! The things people do to their hair. A hairstyle with Legos or pasta. That's some crazy imagination! I also get inspired in the most unexpected places. What if I do a hairstyle using toilet paper? Put a roll of toilet paper onto your head. Nice! I already look like a toilet queen! Wrap strands of hair around the roll and fasten it with hairpins. Cover all the paper with hair, from the bottom to the top. I look stunning! I just need to make sure no birds move into this hair nest. It's a great hairstyle for a selfie. Bonjour, sweethearts! This is Betty's beauty blog. And today, I'll show you how to make a quick hairstyle for a crazy rave party. Part the hair. Separate the front strands and put up high pigtails. Hello, Harley Quinn! Twist the tail and put it into a bun. Fasten it with a hair tie. Leave the end of the tail. Do it on the other side. Apply hair wax onto the front strands. And style the ends of the bun so they stick out in different directions. Our quick hairstyle is done! This has been Betty's Beauty Blog. See you at the party! Phew! It's so hard to be a blogger! Rosie is getting ready for a rock party! She needs to think of an outfit. No delicate flowers! And what should she do with her hair? It's way too gentle and cute! She'll have to shave her temple to make herself look grungy. Put down the sharp object, Rosie! If you want to be an edgy rock queen, there's no need to shave your hair. I'll show you a hairstyle that you don't need to sacrifice your hair for. Separate a strand of hair near the temple. Divide it in half with a part. And make 2 French braids. Fasten the braid with a hair tie behind the ear. Rosie, it's done! Now you have the illusion of an undercut.
Wow!
Now I look fierce! Thanks, Daisy! Rock party, get ready! The whole neighborhood is scared of this cool gang, and Geeky Daisy is too afraid to face them. How can she get by? But here comes a great idea! This chain will help her create a cool look. Glue a piece of elastic ribbon to a chain. Join the side pieces. Let your hair down. And put on the chain headband. Great! And what is that sticking out of the trash can? A denim jacket!
Ew!
It will be perfect for me! Hide books under the jacket and walk confidently. Hello, cool guys! Whoa! Who's this new chick? Babe, let's get to know each other. The friends want a nice spring photo shoot. Look, this is a great idea. Let's take pics near a blooming cherry tree. We just need to find a suitable tree. Here's one that's blossoming. Let's go and turn this tree into a photo backdrop. Daisy is striking poses in the flowers, but the wind decides to make her hair look nicer with soft petals. And here's a fresh idea for a magical look. Put flowers into loose hair. Daisy, you are blooming like a sakura tree, and you look like a forest fairy. Our spring photo shoot with gentle flowers is done. Did you like our quick hairstyles? Then comment below which hairstyles you'd copy. A pearly accessory, grandma's scarf, or curls made using socks? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hairstyle ideas from Troom.